up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing video. We will be doing a little budgeting as well, you guys. Hi, thank you all for stopping by. I really appreciate you being here. Let me give a big shout out to all the people who, well, the few people, I don't know how many of y'all out there who be saying this, but the few people I've been hearing lately say, like, Love Savings Journey, she, motivated us by, stuff in small amounts, or just like saying I motivate y'all at all. Let me tell you something. Thank you. And I love y'all. You know what I mean? And y'all motivate me too. And that's for real. For real, for real. And one day, I'll be able to stuff bigger amounts, larger amounts. But until then, like I always say, we do what we can with what we have. And it might not be a lot. The way this economy was set up for us, y'all, I don't even know, honey. I'm trying, I just thank God that we not the family, that ended up in the hotel or in our car, because it was looking that way, okay? And I want to give a shout out to all my supporters who supported me through this in any type of way, financially, spiritually, you know what I mean, emotionally. It all counts. It all counts, okay? And that's one reason why I always say, if you do not have a community of support, whether it be via online, in person, group settings, however, make sure you find your group. Make sure you find support, because I have no idea what I would be doing or where I would be right now if I only had my husband to talk to. I swear, not saying nothing wrong about him, but I love the man. But still, it's only so much a spouse can do, take, or whatever. You know what I mean? Especially when they're in the same boat as you. You feel me? Okay? So you guys, I just want to give y'all a shout out, okay, for being the most important people here on this channel, because it ain't me. I'm just sharing my life, okay, y'all? And I thank y'all, for respecting what I share as well, and I hope that continues, because I respect y'all. Everybody, a lot of people down right now and a lot of people up. It's no big, what they say, no big U's and little I's here, okay, y'all? Oh, child, all in one breath. I'm still thinking about Auntie Sharon. Y'all continue to pray for her, okay? And find the strength within. I'm working on that too. Self-empowerment, self-discipline. You know what I mean? Because we all get one life, okay? We all just get one life, and ain't no guarantee how long that life gonna be, okay? So I want to make my life count, move forward, either in my abundance, in my struggle, in my depression, but I'm not claiming no depression, okay? In my hurt, in my pain, in my sadness. Y'all understand? You keep moving, okay? No matter what, do not give up on you, okay? I don't care if your mama died, daddy died, man died, kid died. Find that strength within yourself, and you keep pushing forward, okay? All right, y'all, let's get into this video. Okay, so today we're going to be cash stuffing 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, $44, y'all. $44 is what I have for you all today. Separate these ones, make it look like most money. Okay, y'all. Okay. All right. So this is my emergency fund right here. No, let's talk about it first. Let's go ahead over and talk about it, and I'll explain why. Okay, so this is my emergency fund. Today we will be cash stuffing $5 into it, because I'm cash stuffing what I can, and this is going to be the part that goes into the emergency fund, okay? Because why did I do that? Well, I could have took all this money and stuffed it into that, but I kind of wanted to give something to other places as well. Okay, debt is getting 0, because we're going to do something with that also today. Housing is going to get 0. Car is going to get 0. I get my check on Thursday, so we will be cash stuffing some of the higher things, like housing and putting money on car and stuff like that. Okay, electric will be getting $2 today because that fits this $44 budget for me right now. Daquan needs some dog food. I put $2 in there, but when I get my check, I'm going to go ahead and buy his dog food. And it's normally like $15 to $20. Okay, insurance will be getting 0 because I'm going to put some money with that also when I get my check. Subscriptions will be getting $2. And also, you guys, Planet Fitness did come out a couple of days ago, so I have to pay myself back for that and put money. No, I don't have to pay myself back for that because I never took it out of a folder. So one of my goals too is moving forward, get my dates down of these subscriptions, okay? And I know next in January, I believe, I have that yearly membership fee for Planet Fitness that will be coming out. So I need to get all of my subscription dates and everything um, um, all figured out, because moving forward for 2025, I would like the monies for my subscriptions to all be in my account at once instead of them just taking it out my account. Like, I need to know where my money is going. Like, that's one of my goals as far as my finances too. Figure out what my due dates are. Okay, so I won't be swamped with these late fees and stuff. And shout out to my subscriber Kim, who's giving me financial tips and things like that. She will be moving forward. She seems very financially savvy. So my transportation, I'm going to be focusing on that as well. We do need another car, y'all. So I'm going to be focusing on that and just getting money for brakes, just trying to get that built up. And also, you guys, I definitely want to start getting goal amounts on each of these envelopes. So I have to sit back and figure out realistic goal amounts and try to set them, because I don't want to just stuff to be stuff. Like, what is my aim goal? You know what I mean? I need to figure this whole budgeting, financing thing out, because it's all cool just to stuff, but it needs to be a goal in the end, a goal date and a goal amount attached to every single one of those envelopes, you guys. So I have some work to do, and I understand that, okay? Credit cards will be getting, did I put 0? Oh, I didn't even put anything. So credit cards will be getting 0 today, and shopping will be getting 0 as well, and we will be doing $30 in savings challenges. Okay? So that was my budget. Let's get to the cash stuffing, okay? So this is my high priority binder right here. And my emergency fund will be getting $5. Now my emergency fund has, let me fix that. Now my emergency fund has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Moving on up. My debt will be getting nothing. Housing won't be getting nothing because I explained that to you guys on the budget. Car won't either. Electric will be getting $2. It was like $2 or $3 in electric, you guys, but I had to take it out. I had to come up with $29, so I have to put $29 back into my binders, you guys. Daquan will be getting $2 as well. So I owe my binders, this high priority binder, I owe it $29 when I get my check. Okay. Insurance won't be getting anything today. Subscriptions will be getting $2. These these envelopes is where I got the money from. My smaller things that come out of my bank anyway. I never pay myself back, but I do want to get to the point where I actually have the money in these envelopes to put in the bank. Transportation will be getting $3. 1, 2, 3. Where I actually have the money to to put back. To put in the bank where it's already funded instead of them just snatching it from me. Because when they snatch it, y'all, I do not be prepared for them to snatch it like I don't think it's coming. I know it's coming, and it's time for me to be waiting on it, okay? Credit card will be getting nothing, and shopping will be getting nothing. Now, y'all, let's put this aside for 1 second. Set her right here, and let's go over to our savings challenges. Let me get a sip of water. Whew, that water was good, y'all. I needed that, honey. Let me see. All right. So let's go ahead and work on this October savings challenge, y'all. And let's see if we can go ahead and complete this October and be done with it, and then move ahead to our November. So we have Save Your Nuts, long time no see. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 left on Save Your Nuts. Let's see if we can complete that. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yay! Let's complete Save Your Nuts, you guys. Let's go ahead and just color this on in. How y'all doing? I hope everybody is happy, blessed, excited about the new year, inspired. You guys, I am so excited. Y'all should see me like writing down my stuff, and like one of my subscribers left a message. I don't know her name right offhand, but she left a message and said, one of her goals is to actually start her Christmas savings in January instead of October. Oh, baby, I felt that, honey. Me too, sis. That's my goal too. That's my goal too. It's just to really focus this year, y'all. We got to. We don't know what's coming up. You know what I mean? The way this world's set up, we got to really do some financial strategies, little ladies, mamas, wives, girlfriends. It's time for us to get back to like the 1950s and 40s and 20s when the mama used to get the check handed over and she'd figure out where every single penny gonna go and make it work for a family of 6. Okay? It's time for us mamas, us women to take over, or at least take over as much as we can on this finances tip. If you capable, if you mentally, if you really, you know what I mean, if you got it in you to do. Everybody can't do this, okay? But if you have the wherewithal to take over a portion, if not all, I recommend that you step into that role, okay? Because one thing I can say about women is we're very particular people, okay? So let's go ahead and put this with this. This 30, let's get the money straight, y'all. Well, I believe we can do it. And sometimes men need to get out the way, with all due respect. Not all the way out the way, but you know what I mean? Come on now. What they say, a woman's work? Give me that check. No, I'm only joking. Hold on. Okay, so now we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now we have completed Save Your Nuts, y'all. Challenge completed. I am so happy. And then that also means we've completed October's extra money. Now let's see how much we saved extra in October. I know it's November, y'all, but your girl, she doing the best she can. I'm just able to complete it. So here we go. So we saved extra $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6, y'all. $6. Okay, y'all hear it says $66. All right. Now we are working on November. Okay. I'm so excited to just be on November, y'all. So excited. And that's going to be the only challenge I'm working on for the rest of this year, is that November challenge while I prepare for the upcoming year. But I'm really going to focus just on completing this challenge, my November challenge. And it is, I think, $377. And we have money in it, but it's, $320, y'all. So that's what I'm going to be working on. We'll see if I can do it. But if not, if I got to work on it, like I said, it's going to be the last challenge of the year. So even if it go into December, it is what it is. All right, y'all. Now let's allocate this money. So we had 20, 30, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay, y'all. So, we are going to split this up. 30 will be going to my emergency fund. So now emergency fund has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And debt will be getting 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. All right. 36. So now debt has 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Now debt has $96. $96. We have a ways to go, but we're gonna work towards it, you guys. All right, I'm gonna do some cash, some condensing too. When I get my check, I gotta condense some of this money, these ones, take some of these out of here. So you guys, if you like this video or videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me. Plus, it's free. Help a girl out, right? So thank you guys for coming by and spending a little time on my channel. I really appreciate you guys. And you guys also, I will be doing I'm going to attempt to change my setup, okay, for the new year. All right, you guys. So see you guys on the next video. Bye.